What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name's Jake. Welcome to the JD Cars Automotive YouTube channel. Please be sure to go check us out at jd-cars.com. Follow us on Instagram at jd.cars, and please be sure to subscribe for more content. So today on JD Cars, we're going to be addressing something on my WR250R over here. I've actually done a full LED conversion on this bike, so every light, including the front signals, rear brake light, and tail light, they're all LED. Let me show you here. White LED running lights that also act as sequential turn signals, and I have the Zeta handguard LEDs right there. And then in the rear, as you can see, I also have the sequential signal out on the side, little built-in one right there on the brake light bar. And when I brake, the outer turn signal lights flash and light up. So I'm all covered in terms of LEDs around the outside of the bike, but inside the headlight here, we still have the stock halogen bulb, and it's not terribly bright. It gets the job done, you know, when it's getting dark in the woods, but I really want to get that nice bright white look like we have right here. So today we're going to be swapping it out for a 6000K LED bulb. Alright, so let's take a look at this. I think it was like 30 bucks for a pair of these H4 6000K LED headlights. Right off the bat, nice packaging, which is always appreciated. We have some install instructions on how to install and remove an H4 bulb, my favorite snack, and the bulbs. So honestly, pretty solid. I mean, it's definitely what you would expect from Amazon for about 35 bucks. Not to say it's bad. It's all aluminum, blue anodized aluminum, which is also always a plus on the Yamaha. We have a nice little cooling fan inside. It does appear to be waterproof, and it looks like we have 6 LEDs on either side, so a total of 12. Yeah, I'm interested to see how it performs. Nice that we have a backup in here. Let's go pull off the headlight and swap it out. So as many of you know, it's just an 8mm fastener on each side of the headlight. And with the removal of that, you can pull the headlight out of its two little grommets down below. And that will expose the back of the headlight here where our bulb is located. So I'm just gonna unplug our headlight plug right here. It's a friction fit, so all you gotta do is kind of wiggle it and pull back. If you pull on it firmly enough, the whole connector will pop off. You can remove the rubber water guard grommet, if you will, and we then have to press in this spring, release that retainer, and that will allow us to remove our stock halogen H4 bulb. So here's a little up close look, stock bulb versus the new bulb. They do have the same pattern to them, the same connectors and everything, but the new bulb is definitely much more substantial, and it's LED, of course. So the new bulb is going to go in just as the old one came out. It appears we might have to do a tiny bit of filing to this edge right here, but that's not a big deal. I'm going to go grab a round file and file that down. Alright, so after a bit of filing, the bulb does fit into the headlight housing here. Snug fit, but it's in there. So just filed away that little inner lip, if you will. We put on our little wire retainer here. Gosh, these little spring retainers are kind of a nuisance, but there we go, got it on there, not going anywhere. And all we gotta do is install our rubber water guard. Probably easiest if we flip this inside out, get it over the bulb, and then down and around. Yep, right like that. Beautiful. That being said, I'm pretty sure it's a waterproof bulb, so it shouldn't really matter. But let's plug this bad boy in and test her out. Alright, time to test this bad boy out. Just gonna start the bike to initiate the headlight and then shut it off. Whoa! Oh my gosh, that's so bright. Guys, this is crazy. That popped in 5 minutes, and look at that. So much brighter. It's really bright from head on. That's crazy. Let's check out the high beam. So there's the low beam, high beam. Damn, that's a spotlight. This is gonna light up the woods great. So I'm gonna roll the before and after shots and see what the difference is. All right, well, clearly the difference here is night and day. Super, super sweet little upgrade here. Quick, easy, and cheap, and we have an extra one, so in case this ever fails, we've got a backup, but man, this bike looks so much better with the full LED conversion. Super stoked with it, low beam and high beam looking great, and something I just noticed, I don't know if you guys will be able to hear it, but I can hear the cooling fan running right now. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, overall, highly, highly recommend. 30 bucks, 2 bulbs. Upgrade this puppy to a nice bright white LED. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to go check out my LED turn signal conversion. I show you how to do the full install, the wiring, the whole 9 yards. Please go leave a like down below, subscribe for more bike content. Leave some comments down below letting me know what you want to see done to the bike next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on JD Cars.